Can you name the TV show by the opening titles? Let's give it a go, shall we? Okay, so I've never seen it, but that's Family Matters with Steve Urkel. And that's The Muppets. King of Queens. That's Mad About You. Oh, starring Patrick Duffy. That's not the Dallas title sequence that we was a main star in there. The show's like, oh, I'm a stepdad. This is my stepfamily. Oh, I've got too many step kids. Stepdad. Step by Step. Nailed it. Vincent D'Onofrio. Was he in like Law and Order or something? SVU? LA? I don't know. It was one of those type shows. That's horrifying. That's Orange is the New Black, I think. And we've got Blackadder. I don't know what that could be. That's the guy from Criminal Dahmer and Greg. And we've got Knight Rider. Looks like Lassie. Is that the woman from Batman? Dawson's Creek. Columbo. John Forsythe. He was in Dynasty. What's that next one? I don't know. Obviously that one's Oz down there. That's Moonlighting. Sesame Street. We don't know how to spell sesame. Oh, we're not great, are we? That's IT Crowd. I don't know what the others are. No idea. Could that be Malcolm in the Middle, maybe? No, it's not, is it? Right, give up. We got 68% more than average, I'll take it. The Wonder Years, never seen it. Weird Science, no idea. I said it was a Law and Order. Growing Pains, Who's the Boss, Chicago Hope, Alf. We haven't seen these shows. The Lone Ranger we probably could have guessed, but I was going to go for Gunsmoke or something. I wasn't going to be near. Right. Our first one is Taxi. We've got Smurfs. Sarah Paulson is in American Horror Story. I think I've never seen it, but I've seen... Is that 13? Yep. Aisha Tyler. Criminal Minds. Ghost Whisperer. Could it be Ghost Whisperer? No. That's Will and Grace. And then we've got Teletubbies. Don't know how to spell it. I don't know what that is. That's terrifying now. That's Gotham. Avatar. That's Sons of Anarchy. Never seen it. That's Psych. Stranger Things. Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt. TMNT. Mentalist. That's Firefly, Joss Whedon. Let's see, it's like... is that like 3 women? Oh, they're doing the Charlie's Angels pose. It's probably the old... Yep. George Gaines. That's really annoying me. Right, it's oh, I'm an orphan and I've moved in with an old man. They did a reboot a few years ago. Brewster. Was it Pawnee Brewster? no, it's not called that. Punky Brewster. Never seen it. Is that weird? I just know of the show. It had a terrible spin-off. That 70s show. That's Wacky Racers. That's Jessica Jones. Who could that be? Could that be Orphan Black? No. Right, give up. Crazy Ex-Girlfriend. Archer. I didn't know she was in that. Never seen her. Penny Dreadful. Should have guessed. Is that Eva Green as well? Ugly Betty. Right, let's go. Let's do one more. Right. Simpsons. David Chase. Oh, I was gonna say Arrested Development, but Arrested Development is down there. Friends. We've got Freaks and Geeks. Scrubs. Himium. Created by Tina Fey. That's 30 Rock. Mad Men. Oh dear, we're in trouble. That's Blake Lively. So 90210. Oh, we got the right. How do we do that? What was that? Was it called OC? No, that's Gossip Girl. That's Cheers. Is it True Detective? Nope. No idea. That's Heroes. Full House. That's Charmed. That's not Charmed. Right, we tried the best. We didn't do well. Oh, it's Desperate. I've never seen it. House. I knew that was similar. Right, that'll do. Subscribe to the second channel for more stuff like this. Alright, so I'll let you go.